They say music is the language of the soul, but for Teddy Afro, music is the very heartbeat of a nation. I don't just call Teddy a singer. He is the light of the Horn of Africa. His new album, Ethiorica, with masterpieces like Bata and Ethiopia, has transcended borders and pierced straight into our hearts. To me, this album is a cultural archive. While Bata seamlessly blends tradition with modernity, Ethiopia is a soulful cry for heritage and unity. Teddy explains our African identity better than any politician ever could. He is a source of pride, not just for Ethiopia, but for the entire continent. But I must say one thing clearly: the criticism and the pressure being placed on Teddy must stop. He is the true voice of the people. He gives a loud voice to the identity that the masses carry in their hearts. To try and silence Teddy is to try and silence the identity of Ethiopia itself. The government and all concerned bodies should be protecting such an artist as a national treasure, not condemning him. After nearly a decade of profound silence, the heart of Addis Ababa awakens to a sound that has been long overdue. The wait for a legend is over. From 2017 to 2026, the absence of Tewodros Kasahan, known to the world as Teddy Afro, created a void in the soul of Ethiopian contemporary music. But a brand is more than just a man. It is a cultural movement that continued to grow through streaming icons and the unwavering devotion of fans. Then came April 16, 2026, a date that will be etched in history. Without warning, the digital world was set ablaze by a sudden release. The traffic spikes were unprecedented. From Washington, D.C. to London, the global Ethiopian diaspora connected as one to witness the return of their king. 15 million views in just 1 hour. The statistics were not just numbers. They were a testament to a connection that time could not erase. The album begins with Das Tal Insa, a powerful anthem of unity that calls upon the diverse beauty of the Ethiopian landscape and its people. In Sumin, we see a vision of a nation walking together. It is a melody that bridges ethnic lines and celebrates the shared heritage of millions. Kasahan experiments with sound in Shai Bible, taking us back to the vibrant energy of the 90s Addis vibe while maintaining a modern edge. With Tintango, the rhythm shifts. A fusion of Ethiopian soul and Latin dance aesthetics proves that his music knows no geographic borders. The collaboration with Asfendasho and Tekleg Nabal brings the authentic sounds of the Waleta people into a grand, global spotlight. This is true Ethiopian culture, raw, rhythmic, and revitalized. It is a bridge between the ancient traditions and the sounds of the future. However, the album also dares to look into the shadows. Yeazo Amba serves as a somber reflection on resilience amidst the pain of displacement. It is a communal mourning captured in song, offering a voice to those who have felt unheard during times of national struggle and change. In Shin Mushre, Teddy Afro taps into the spiritual bedrock of the nation, using historical symbols to anchor his message in timeless truth. The track Zitzidal shines with a philosophical light, exploring the spirit of Ethiopia through motifs of ancient architecture and divine inspiration. The impact was felt instantly across the globe. Within days, the album climbed to the top of the charts in Germany, the United Kingdom, and Sweden. In European city squares, members of the diaspora gathered, not just to listen, but to celebrate a piece of home that had returned to them. The African dialogue is evolving. In modern cafes from Nairobi to Lagos, the technical fidelity of the album is being discussed by a new generation. The Arab culture, the tradition of Diaspora Fridays, has found its soundtrack once again. Joyful celebrations are breaking out in every corner of the world. The return of Teddy Afro is more than a musical comeback. It is a global cultural phenomenon that reinforces the power of Ethiopian identity. Preparations are already underway for a massive world tour. The stage is being set for a series of performances that will define a generation. Long lines of fans are already forming, eager to secure their place in history. The legend is back, and the journey has only just begun. In the silence of the past 9 years, a masterpiece was born. Tewodros Kasahan has reclaimed his throne on the world stage. After 9 long years, the wait is finally over. The king of Ethiopian pop, Teddy Afro, has returned with a masterpiece that is shaking the world. Within hours of its release, Ethiorica shattered global records, amassing over 15 million views and capturing the hearts of the diaspora worldwide. This album is a rich tapestry of sound, blending the haunting, traditional soul of the Masenko and Krar with sophisticated, modern studio production. But Ethiorica is more than just music, it is a call for national unity. It serves as a poetic reflection on history, healing, and shared heritage. Through tracks like Yeazo Amba, Teddy Afro honors the past with somber, cinematic tributes that resonate deeply with the social consciousness of a nation. The title track stands as a majestic anthem for African identity, weaving the colors of the Ethiopian flag into a vision for the entire continent. The legend has returned to define a new era of music. Ethiorica is out now. Witness the cultural phenomenon that is Teddy Afro.